Life is hard at first, just like avocados, and then everything softens up gradually, just like avocados do. Hello everyone, I am Chetna from Get My Harvest, and in today's video, you will learn how to grow avocado plant from seed. So stay tuned. But before we dive in, I have to ask you something. Have you subscribed to my channel? Well, if you have, a big thank you to you. And if you haven't, then you must. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified on my future videos. Choose an avocado which is ready. A ready avocado is the one which is soft to touch. When you press it, it should get pressed. If you choose an avocado which is hard, you'll end up wasting it. And then cut it like this. Don't go too deep because you can end up damaging the seed. So you cut the avocado which is ripe. You will see that the color will be this, and that's the seed. You need to extract the seed. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon because only then you would get notified on my next video, which is on making healthy tacos from the avocado. And this is Mr. Seed that we need to take out. This is a seed that I was able to extract, and these are my ripe avocados. Just took the seed out of the avocado fruit, and you can see this is what it looks like. Then I gave it a wash in order to remove any pulp that was there, and now you need to start peeling it. You have to peel the seed gently. Please don't mind the yellow color on my hands. I just finished harvesting turmeric from my garden patch, and that's why the yellow color. So I'm going to fast forward this part of peeling the avocado seed, but take your time and peel it patiently. Okay, so this is the seed that I've peeled, and you can see the fault lines here, all through here and then here. This is how the seed looks like. This is the bottom part, the flat part. This is the place from where the roots will come, and the top part, the pointed part of the seed, is the one from where the stem and the leaves will come. So you need to take skewers or toothpicks or the satay sticks, and then you will have to start the seed. I'll show you how. Take a transparent container like this. I prefer taking a taller container so that the roots have some room to keep growing. And there are some people who use a transparent cup as well, but I think that's too tiny for the seed. And these are the kind of sticks that I use for starting my seed. You need to start piercing the sticks at a 45-degree angle in the seed. Don't go too deep, and make sure you don't pierce the stick anywhere on the fault line, on the line that I showed you. And then here. See if you need another one, or just see if it is going fine like that. It is. So we don't need another stick here. Now, make sure you pour some normal tap water in this container, and half of your seed should stay inside the water. There you go. Half of my seed is inside. The roots are going to start growing inside the water. The stem is going to start growing from here. Make sure you change the water once a week, and don't let any algae to start growing, because that will then spoil your seed and the plant eventually. Keep this seed with the container on a shelf, on a window shelf, which is very sunny. If you're staying in a part of the world which is experiencing extreme weathers like very hot or very cold weathers, try to protect your plant. And you have to make sure that the plant doesn't get any kind of algae formation, like I said earlier, because that is one reason why most of the seeds they do not show a lot of success rate. For avocado seed to reach from this stage to this stage takes around 8 weeks time. So I wanted to show you what it looks like after 8 weeks. This is what it looks like. You can see the plant up, and you can see how the avocado seed looks like in 8 weeks. I'd grown this 8 weeks ago. You can see the root system and how the seed has split also. And from there the roots started growing, and then it has a stem and leaves. Now there is no real time for transplanting your seed with the plant into the soil or into the garden bed. You can keep growing the plant in water if the growth is healthy. But if you feel that the plant leaves are turning yellow or there is some kind of a pest attack, then you must quickly transplant it into a pot first and then into the garden bed. The fruits that you get out of this plant are generally going to be hybrid, so they will not look like the original fruit. But the most important thing is that if you have an avocado plant inside your house or near your home, you're going to feel so happy about it, whether it gives you the fruit or not. Just having a plant, avocado plant, growing in a pot is going to give you loads of happiness. Did you like this video? Let me know in the comment section below. We're there on Instagram. Do follow us there. We're also there on Facebook. We have a group there as well. I'll share all those links in the description of this video. In case you also want to try growing the avocado, you can share your experiences and suggestions with me through the comment section below. Thank you for taking out time for watching this video.